I will bring greetings from the Imperial Majesty, their ruling Odùduwà, Imperial Majesty, the Ooni of Ife. Let's say Kábíyèsí o. He's aware of what is happening here and his spirit is connected with everybody here. He has to allow the dearest wife. Please let's put our hands together once again. To live Ife kingdom. We know how important this occasion is and the activities going on both in Nigeria and across Nigeria. He has to allow the dearest wife in the capacity of himself to see that he comes together today and make sure that tomorrow she's going to be here throughout to attend the occasion together with the festival. And I tell you, later matters should be traveling direct to America. So, in the capacity of all that, I want to formally introduce Her Regal Majesty, Dr. Ambassador Temitope Ogunwusi, the wife of His Imperial Majesty, the Ooni of Ife. Please can we all say Kábíyèsí? Thank you very much, Your Imperial Majesty. And here, she's here with the chief personnel that see to activities, most especially outside the country, in person of Dr. Julia. Please, can you stand up for recognition?